I opened the Green Corner store because I wanted a place where we could have an independent local retailer that was really showcasing the local entrepreneurs and their creativity. We have a lot of Arkansas-made products and food products and crafts and clothing and other things. We've really accumulated many different artisans, and we've helped to mentor Arkansas-made products so they are ready for the marketplace. The store really stands for a platform to advocate for green living, to have healthier lifestyles. Everything that's brought into the store is about that. So the green, sustainable, organic part of it, it also happens to be my last name. So the building we're in has been here for 110 years. We're sort of taking it back to its roots because originally, for the first 70 years of its life, it was a drugstore, pharmacy, and soda fountain. And now we have a wellness department and trying to encourage people to eat healthy foods, not have a lot of additives in their food, and we have an operating soda fountain. The great thing about that is the ice cream itself is made locally, and it uses locally made products that are sourced whenever possible from farmers in Arkansas. We wanted to prove that you can support your local neighborhood, and we're located in an area that's walkable, that has public transportation. We have workshops, and we help to educate the customer on living a greener lifestyle, on the importance of shopping locally. We do host a lot of times our local farmers that are making other products or sampling. We educate people on all phases of the food chain.